sounds a new beginning. As distant hearts begin believing, redemption's bid is unrelenting. Your love goes on. Your love goes on. When the world gives way, carry us, carry us.
The God that stitched you together in your mother's womb, that would speak this over your life, that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. This God is. Not probably, not possibly, not potentially, but instead God is most definitely, absolutely, certainly, and definitively for you. But we've also been given grace that God has deposited a gift, talent, multiple talents that you would leverage for the namesake of God.
You gave the world a light to follow. When the world gives way, carry us.
So who you are is in your trajectory of life is strongly dependent on who you allow in your space. That's why you can't let everybody in your space. And for all of us in here who have crossed over the threshold from death to life and given our life to Jesus, we right now, while we're on this side of the river, we should live our life well, because ultimately we want to die well.